Hey guys, this is your friend Hamid from itsmadeeasy.com. Hope you are doing great. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks in just 3 steps. Let's start our tutorial now. Hey guys, here we have our SolidWorks 2015 and here the 2D drawing of the 3D part model that we are going to draw now. And as I said that we are going to complete this part model in just 3 steps. The first step will be the base part that we have here, the 2 circles, the smaller one and the 2 bigger circles that we have here, and the tangent lines that connecting the both on the other sides. And the second part will be the extrusion of this 2 circle and the other 2 bigger circle and the rib 2 lines that is connecting the both circles, and we are going to extrude that geometry to a length of 36 mm. And the third part, the final part, will be the extrude cut of this unwanted part that we would have made in the second part. Okay, now let's start the SolidWorks with new part model. Since it's in the top plane, the base part, we are just going to start our part model with the top plane now. And for your kind information, I'm just going to take this center of the circle as the origin. And now I'm taking a circle. Here we have 2 circles with the inner circle of 24 mm and the outer circle of 42 mm. And yes, we have other 2 circles in a length of 100 mm apart from the circle of this circle. So I'm just taking a line, drawing it with the length of 100 mm, and from here I'm just going to draw 2 circles. Inner circle diameter they have given us 36 and the outer circle diameter they have given us 64. And when we notice that, we can see that they have given a key here which is given as 12 cross 6. So the procedure to draw that is from this center I'm just going towards horizontally 6 mm and vertically we have 12 mm. Since it is in the central, I'm just going towards up 6 mm and towards down 12 mm. And now I'm just closing this contour. And the rest of the part to complete this geometry is the 2 tangential lines that connecting the outer circles of the both the sides. And just I'm taking a circle line connecting both the circles, and here tangentially, yes, it's made tangentially. And now I'm just trimming the unwanted parts that we have here. And yes, we have made the base contour, and now just extruding this section to a length of 12 mm. Yes, we are done with the base part. And the second part, as I said before, that I'm going to draw these 2 sections and going to extrude to a length of 36 mm. So I'm just making the same geometry now. What am I going to do is taking this center as origin and just continuing the 2 base circles here, and just taking this outer circle. And to make this easier, what am I going to do is just clicking the convert entities. It's loading. Okay, don't forget to select the select chain. I'm clicking this. Yeah, and yes, we have made this geometry, and we have this rib of a width of 12 mm. So I'm just taking any central part going up and down to an equal length of 12 mm. So upward 6 and downward 12, and just connecting these two circles, just connecting again from here to here. And now we'll just remove the unwanted parts that we have here. Yes, now what am I going to do is just extrude this section to a length of 36 mm that we have here. 36 mm including the base. So since we already had completed the base extrude of 12, so 36 minus 12, we are supposed to go 24. And yes, we are done with the second part. And the third part we have remaining is the cut extrude of the unwanted part that we have here. So what am I going to do is just from this line, this corner, I'm just going towards a length of 24 that they have here given. So towards up 24, sorry, it's not been made vertical, and just continuing this part and just closing this contour, just trimming off the unwanted part that we have below. And this is the unwanted part that we have here. Just I'm going to extrude cut that part with the mid plane, just giving any like desired dimension. And yes, we are done with today's part model. Hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Please make sure that you like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.